Many people present to our clinic because Sunrise is great for making people who are anxious feel less anxious. It's very important to feel safe and secure in the dental environment to be able to have dental treatment. The mouth is a very personal space and very sensory as well. So, for anybody with anxiety, it can make a visit to the dentist very, very traumatic. At Sunrise Dental Clinic, we have lots of anti anxiety things in place which will help your child to feel more comfortable. The first thing is that it doesn't feel like a clinical environment. We have a lovely reception area which is designed to make everybody feel at ease. And when you come into the dental practice, you'll see that our surgeries are designed in a way which are not very clinical and very child friendly. Your dentist will work alongside your child to decide what kind of approaches they can take to make their dental anxiety less. Please support your child by doing the following. The first thing is to not give too much information. You are not a dentist unless you are. Please let us know. If you're not a dentist, when your child asks you any questions about what happens when you go to the dentist, all you need to say is, I don't know, I'm not a dentist. This means that your child will understand that you trust us to be able to make the right decisions for them and for their oral health. It also means you won't give them any false information which might leave them in a more anxious space than they started off with. I'll give you an example. If you were to say to a child, don't worry, you're not going to feel anything. This might feel like the right thing to say to a child, but if that child then feels something, which they will definitely be upset and worried and scared because you told them something was going to happen and something else happened instead. So the best answer for you to give is that the dentist will explain everything that's going to happen and explain how it might feel. We try to be honest with our patients and give them as much explanation as required for them to feel safe and secure. This might mean that we tell them that something will feel weird, something will feel fizzy, something will feel different, and this helps them to understand that the feeling that they're having when their teeth are being treated is normal, and this reassures them. So please allow your dentist to guide that conversation. In fact, when you come to the dentist, you don't need to do anything. You need to sit back and relax and let the dentist do their job. It's just like when you take your child to school or nursery, you hand them over and the teacher is in charge. So you don't actually need to do anything except for sit there with a nice smiley face and be supportive. If your child says outside of the clinic that they're feeling scared, please don't brush aside their fears. Do not say, don't be silly, don't be scared, don't be afraid. Saying those words invalidates their feelings, but also puts ideas into their head. If I said to you, don't think of dogs, now immediately you've got thoughts of dogs in your head. So please say to your child the following. I understand you feel worried. I understand you feel scared or anxious, whichever word that they have used. But this is why we're going to Sunrise Dental Clinic. This is why we're seeing Dr. Libby or Dr. Claire or Dr. John, because they are really great at dealing with kids who are feeling anxious, and you are in the best place for them to help you. Then you can move on to distract them with other things, such as what kind of treasure will you choose from the treasure chest? What kind of movie are you going to watch on the TV? Just anything to bring their attention back to something positive. You can also encourage them by saying, you are going to feel great when your teeth are all fixed. You are going to feel great when you have the best oral health. You are going to feel great with your nice, strong teeth. And you're going to feel very proud of yourself for looking after your teeth so well.